Well, it is 4 a.m. right now in California, 4:30, and I think I'm gonna go to sleep for a couple hours. Got some things to do today, but I just want to send hope and prayers and blessings of hope and positivity to you all. I know that with the politics and with everything, everybody, we had a time of walking around hopeless and faithless, but that's not who we really are. We're so much more than that. We are a collective that shines. We are a collective that can do anything. We can do anything. And these people that think they have control over us, they don't. We can outshine them. We can outsmart them. We can outdo them by being in service, in gratitude, in love, in collaboration, having agape love, and helping each other out. We can defeat darkness. We can defeat racism. We can defeat inequality. We can defeat these things. We really can. I just really, I'm not going to sit up here because my ancestors really showed me and came to me and said, no, there will be success. No, you, the collective, is going to succeed. So that's what I'm going to follow. And, I understand we throw things out in the universe, we say things and stuff, but even the words that we speak, we can turn situations around. We can. And I do believe that we will. But I'm really happy to be back. And I just send light, love, and positivity to you all. Something about this supermoon, even in this month of November, which, like I said, it's hard for me. But with this supermoon and with other things, I just don't feel defeated anymore. I really feel empowered and strengthened, and I just pray that that energy of empowerment and strength, that it's for you guys as well, that you attach yourself to that, that you cling to that, that you be uplifted by that. And really also about self-love, and being built up no matter what. We put the hard work in so many other areas of our lives, but we need to, put the hard work in on ourselves, so we can continue to do for others. But at some point, that's what I've learned really much this year, as the year is wrapping up. And the year for me doesn't wrap up until my birthday in January, because I don't live by New Year's resolutions or this time frame of, January to whatever. I see my year as birth date to birth date, and so it's not over yet. And I would rather put out positive energy and good energy into the universe and into my world and see the change in that, because I'm seeing that it's happening, then cling to negativity and cling to the what ifs, and no matter what it looks like, because they don't have the last word, they don't have the say, the divine does. And I'm also kind of picking up, some of you in the collective, you are kin, and your ancestors were people, suffragettes, fighters, and you got to tap into that energy to fight, to fight. And we can be tired of fighting, but the divine can resurrect us. The divine can redeem us. the divine can restore us so that we're stronger, so we can fight and outwit and outlast darkness and negativity. And so I'm just sending that energy to you all. And I'm sending light and love and gratitude. Thank you, everybody that looks at, the content that I put out there, people that follow me, that I get to follow back. I'm grateful. I really am. I'm grateful for it all. I'm grateful for, I always say, the lessons, the journey, the life, the love, the collaboration, communally. I'm thankful for that all. That really makes me happy. Besides, I don't feel like I live in, a small world. I live in a very big world. And even with everything going on, I still appreciate it. I still do. And so I just want to send light and love and positivity to you all. And I always say that. I will have to change that up in 2025, say something else. But for now, it is what it is. So good morning, good night, wherever you're at. Bye.